Hello and welcome to COMP321 Lab 5. And in this lab, we are required to actually write a simple application that uses event-driven architecture using Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is a software technology that allows us to create, publish, and subscribe endpoints between different applications, um, such that when they send one application can send information to a broker and, and another one can subscribe and receive that same information via another broker. So this kind of technology is very good for integrating disparate applications regardless of where they are located. So in this demo, I'm going to log in. One of the requirements is we're required to create a free account on the Confluence Cloud platform. So I have created one with my Centennial College account, and I click next and I log in. And from the screen, it comes up. You will see that I have done some work in terms of my configuration of the system. Um, you know, so the first thing I want to show you are the environments. So in the environment, we have created one, and then I have also created a client, but I'll do that in another video. So this is the default environment that I created and titled cluster 0. So in this default environment, I have written a Java program that acts as both a consumer and a producer. A producer is the client that sends information to the Kafka endpoint, and the consumer is the one that consumes information. So one thing I can show you from the screen here is the general lowdown of the environment. Um, so if you look at this cluster, it's running already, and at the moment there is only one producer that I have worked with. I'll be doing another code demo to show that the producer sent information and another consumer consumed information. So this is the consumer. So this consumer also consumed the information from the producer. And there are no active customers showing that, so we don't see anything there. So these are the topics that I created, but this is the only topic that has data. As you can see, um, right now there is no production and consumption of messages, but these are the old messages that that was created. I'll still do a demo to show you. You can see the last messages that we sent was from COMP321 group 2, hello from COMP321 group 2. So I'm going to send yet another message, and we'll be able to see from the software demo how that is working. We didn't have any schema, we just sent basic text. But if we wanted to have schemas, we would also be able to configure schemas there. So, that's just a long and short of what we have done so far in this first part of the demo. The second part of the demo, I'll be running you through the code that was written and how it impacts our Confluent environment. Thank you very much. Hello, good day, and welcome to Lab 5 demo for COMP321. So in this lab demo, which is the part 2, I'll be taking us through um, the program that we created to be able to send and receive messages from our Kafka topic. Remember, I did an initial introduction into the CAP topic. Um, so I'll be showing you the program that I used, and I'll be running it so that you can see that the program works. So the program I wrote is called Client Example, and in this program, we created a class called Client Example, which is a Java program, and we borrowed quite a number of libraries, which is the Kafka Client, Consumer, Producer Library, and Serialization. And I also, during the process of setting up um, the client application, I got some config files. So the config files is located here under config.properties. So that information is here. And so this um, function reads the config file. So this is the program that actually works as both a producer and a consumer. So what the program does is we create, this is my topic that we created, and then we read our configuration properties, and then we get a serializers to serialize the key and value information. And this is when I wrote the program to do um, the publishing. So I'm just going to change this a bit. So group 2 demo. I'm just going to change this string key to demo, and I'll just call this demo also. So this program is the producer. So we create a new Kafka producer, and then from the producer we send a message, and this is just for the screen, for on-screen display, and then we close the producer. So after we close the producer, this is the consumer. So the consumer also comes with some configuration, and then we write the consumer code, we subscribe to the topic that we created initially, and then with this loop, we actually check for new messages, and when a new message comes in, we display on the screen that a new message has come in. So let me just go ahead and run the program so that you will see that the program is running. So as you can see, the program has started running. It's building, and then the demand has started for the publishing of the information, and very soon you will see the information is published to the topic. Can you see the task is running? So the message has been published to the topic. Can you see? And the consumer has also consumed the message and read the information back. So remember, I sent this message with a demo. So I added demo to it. And for this one, I also added demo to it. So when we come here and we refresh our test topic, you will see that it will show us the information that was sent and received. So as you can see, this is header from COMP321 demo. So with that, it shows us that our demo was successful. Thank you very much.